Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to be walking you through how to deactivate and reactivate a driver inside of Carrier TMS. To begin, start by logging into your Carrier TMS account. Once you've logged into your account, click on the Drivers tab. Next, click on the driver you wish to deactivate, and then in the upper right-hand corner, select the three dots and select Deactivate. Deactivating a driver may affect loads assigned to them, moving those loads back to the new section. Additionally, review any changes this could make to your Carrier TMS pricing plan. To reactivate a driver, follow the same steps, but this time select Reactivate. And that's it. You now know how to deactivate and reactivate a driver inside of Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to the support team at support@superdispatch.com or by simply clicking on the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to start a conversation with us. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.